In this video, I'm going to explain how to trade like me in 3 simple steps, and I will also teach you how to execute. Before we get into it, I've made over $2 million trading, and I want to start with the proof, because everybody in this space talks and almost nobody shows. This is just one of my multiple audited accounts. This account actually is an account we've made 317% in the past 2 years, starting off with $50,000. And the best part is, this is one of the accounts you all have access to, and you can all copy trade and connect your accounts directly to this account. I have also grown one of the biggest trading communities, and just this trade alone I have right here, which was also taken live for free on YouTube, made me $130,000. Everything traded live, called out beforehand. Now let's get to the part that most of you don't want to hear, which is most gurus tell you to copy trade in the complete opposite way of what I do every single day. And after live trading this same strategy for years to thousands of people, I am going to break down how I make over $150,000 every single month from the markets. So now that we are on the charts, I am going to show you exactly in 3 steps how you can start copy trading my strategy and replicating my same trades, so you can have an idea of what we are trading. So to keep it very simple and in 3 simple steps, this is the gold chart 45-minute time frame. This was a setup that was shared in the community, and we are going to be focusing on 3 very simple things here. The first one is going to be structure, the second thing is going to be fib, and the third thing is going to be supply and demand. By fib, I am referring to Fibonacci. Okay, so having said this, this is one of my most simple entry models we use to trade. Most gurus out there are giving you 1,000 indicators, selling you different strategies, selling you different indicators. If you pay attention to all of my videos, all of my setups consist of the same confluences, and all of the entry models are very, very similar with one another, and this is one of them we use to copy trade. So very simple. Firstly, market structure. We see price has created with volume a break of structure to the upside right here, which means our interest is to look for buys. All right, and the next step, to keep it very simple, we are going to be looking at our fib level. In this case, we are exclusively going to be focusing on the 50% of Fibonacci, all right, which is this level right here. Our third step and last step to identify setups following this exact same strategy we use for copy trading is supply and demand. So in this case, we have this demand zone right here, which is within our discounted price from Fibonacci, and this right here is the price we are going to be looking to enter from. All right, so having said this, we are going to be placing our entry right at the tip of the zone with a stop loss right below the zone, and we are going to be targeting the last swing high, which is this one right here. In this example, it's a 4.5 risk to reward setup, keeping things very simple, and this, as you have seen on the MyFX book, gives amazing results. So then we just let the market play out, taps us into the zone, reacts, and goes straight to our take profit. And this is just one of the many entry models we use for copy trading, which over 7,000 members are taking advantage of daily without having to do absolutely anything. They are making money thanks to copy trading our strategy and connecting their accounts to our master account. So with this said, this is a very simple entry model, one of the many entry models we use, which again, I want to be clear with this. My strategy is not complex. Furthermore, it's incredibly simple, mainly relies on price action and few confluences. And if you pay attention, if you have been watching my other videos, most of my entry models are pretty much the same with very little variations, which makes my strategy so special. This was one of the setups we traded live and shared with community. And this is one of the entry models you can start learning right now that we use for copy trading. Or if you want to skip the learning phase, you can also join us on our same copy trading and start replicating our trades without the need of you lifting a single finger. So if you want to have the same results as we have on the copy trader, which are these verified MyFX book results, or you want to become funded like the hundreds if not thousands of members that are already funded in the community and want to be profiting like our members are profiting every single day, like the video, subscribe to the channel and join the community. I will see you in the next one.